It's a video presentation of the 1999 Haas VF-3. Right now we're running the spindle. We'll move that up. Next we'll go ahead and simulate a tool change. And we'll go ahead and move it through its paces here. And then we went ahead and did the debug hours on here. So we got spindle time 19,160, motion time 10,772. Does have the remote jog handle. I'm just gonna. We do have the manual. It's got the floppy. This does have its 4th axis ready. This is a gearbox machine. And just to confirm that this is serial number 18318, manufactured 8 of 99. We do have the coolant tank, the chip chute, and the leveling pads, and we do have the block to block the machine before shipment. This concludes the video presentation of the 1999 Haas VF-3.